Hi guys, today I'm just going to show you a simple bluegrass lick. It's the everybody's favorite, the one that goes like this. It's pretty simple. There's a couple of ways to do it. You can do it like that, you can do it like this, or maybe like this. And you can kind of put them together if you want, like or something like that. But here's how you can do it. I'll start with the simplest one. Okay, here's how you do that first one, the easy one. You start on the 6th string 3rd fret, then you go to the 5th string open, hammer on to the 2nd fret, then the 4th string open, hammer on, then pull off, the 2nd fret there goes, and then hit your 3rd string open, so you've got, okay. Now the second version is a little bit harder. It's got some hammer-ons, but you start off on your 6th string 3rd fret, hit your 5th string open, hammer on to the 1st fret and the 2nd fret, like that, and then hit your 4th string open, and then you're going to do that hammer on again on the 4th string 2nd fret, and you're going to pull off like that. So you hit it one time, then you hit it again, and then you hammer on, pull off. So you're going to be hitting that twice. So, and then you got the 3rd string open. Okay. Another way to do it is this lick. And you're going to hit that one on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then you're going to hit it on the 3rd string 2nd fret, pull off. And then you're going to go to the 4th string 2nd fret, pull off to open. And then you end up on the 3rd string open again. And I like to play these licks in songs like I'll Fly Away. I'll kind of show you where you can throw it in there. Like there. And also the first song I ever learned how to pick, you can kind of throw it in there too. It's a good old song. I hope that helps you guys play a little bit of bluegrass licks.